Ever tried taking photos at night or indoors and ended up with dark, blurry or noisy shots? Today, we're going to fix that. Welcome to episode 5 of the Basic Photography course. Let's explore ISO, the third piece of the exposure triangle. ISO controls how sensitive your camera's sensor is to light. A low ISO like 100 gives you clean, crisp images, but it needs a lot of light. A high ISO, like 3200 or 6400, makes your sensor more sensitive, helping you shoot in darker settings. But it comes at a cost: image noise. Check this out. Here's the same scene shot at different ISO levels. At ISO 100, it's clean but too dark. At ISO 800, it's brighter and still usable. At ISO 3200, it's bright, but you can see the grain or noise creeping in. Use low ISO, 100 to 200, when you're shooting in bright light or using a tripod. It gives the best image quality and the least noise. Use high ISO, 800 and above, when light is limited, like indoors, at night, or when you need a fast shutter speed to freeze action. 1. Use the lowest ISO possible while still getting a properly exposed photo. 2. Don't be afraid of high ISO. Modern cameras handle it well. 3. Use noise reduction in editing software, like Lightroom if needed. So remember, ISO is your low-light lifesaver, but use it wisely. Next up, we'll show you how to balance aperture, shutter speed, and ISO together to shoot in full manual mode.